T-Mobile's network performance depends heavily on having the correct preferred network settings configured on your device. These settings control how your phone connects to T-Mobile's infrastructure. These settings directly impact three critical areas of your mobile experience: connection speed, data usage efficiency, and overall connection stability. There are three key components to T-Mobile network settings: access point names, or APNs, network mode selection, and quality of service settings. Each plays a crucial role in optimizing your connection. The access point name, or APN, acts as a gateway between your device and the internet. For T-Mobile postpaid customers, the correct APN is fasttmobile.com, while prepaid customers should use epc.tmobile.com. For network mode selection, the optimal setting is 5G, LTE, 3G, 2G on automatic. This ensures your device automatically selects the best available network, provides maximum speed, and enables seamless handoffs between different network technologies. Properly configured T-Mobile devices show 35% better average speeds compared to default settings. Additional benefits include reduced connection drops, faster data session setup, improved battery life, and better call quality. Keeping your carrier services updated is crucial for optimal performance. These updates provide the latest network optimizations, updated APN configurations, enhanced 5G connectivity, and improved voice over LTE performance. Understanding these T-Mobile preferred network settings is the foundation for optimizing your mobile experience. Remember to use the correct APN for your service type, set your network mode to automatic, and keep your carrier services updated for the best performance. The first step in optimizing your T-Mobile network settings is verifying your access point name, or APN configuration. Your APN acts as the gateway between your device and T-Mobile's network. Here's how to find your APN settings on Android devices. The exact path may vary between phone models, but you'll typically find it under Mobile Networks or Cellular settings. Next, optimize your network mode settings. Set your device to automatic network selection with 5G, LTE, 3G, and 2G priority. This allows your phone to automatically connect to the best available network. For advanced optimization, you can manually select specific frequency bands. T-Mobile uses different bands for different coverage areas. Low bands provide wide coverage, mid bands offer balanced performance, and high bands deliver maximum speeds in dense areas. Regular network monitoring is essential for maintaining optimal performance. Use Network Analyzer apps to track your connection quality, signal strength, and data speeds. This helps you identify when settings need adjustment. Keep your device software and carrier settings updated to maintain compatibility with T-Mobile's latest network improvements. T-Mobile has expanded its 5G standalone network, so updated settings are crucial for optimal performance. By following these optimization steps, users have reported significant improvements. Studies show a 67% improvement in customer satisfaction scores, 35% better average speeds, and 15% longer battery life with properly configured network settings.